Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
योगः कर्मसु कौशलम्.
Hello friends, I am Professor Dr. Himesh Doshi from PD Pandya Commerce College, affiliated with Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. Joint Venture, Accounting Method of Joint Venture, Part 8. Joint Venture Accounts, when a separate set of books of account is maintained. Dear friends, in the previous session, we discussed some practical example of the second method of joint venture accounts, when a separate set of book is maintained. And we discussed how the journal entries are passed and how to prepare the joint venture account, co-venturers account and joint bank account. In this session, we will discuss how necessary ledger accounts are prepared without passing journal entries with more practical examples of the same method. That is, when a separate set of books of account is opened in the books of the firm. Let us discuss illustration number 15. On 1st March 2025, Ravi and Suraj entered into a joint venture to buy and sell mangoes with a condition to share profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2 respectively. They deposited rupees 1,80,000 and rupees 1 lakh respectively into their joint bank account. They decided that the joint bank account will be used for purchases and sales, while joint venture expenses will be paid by each partner from their private fund. Ravi will be paid a salary of rupees 5,000 per month and Suraj will be paid a commission of 6% on the sale he makes. Ravi purchased the mangoes worth rupees 1,50,000 at 10% trade discount and paid rupees 3,000 as expenses and sent to Suraj. Suraj paid mangoes worth rupees 1 lakh at 5% trade discount and paid rupees 4,000 for expenses. Suraj sold up the mangoes for rupees 3 lakhs. The remaining unsold mangoes were purchased by Suraj for his personal use at rupees 45,000. On 31st August 2025, the joint venture business was closed and accounts were settled. From the above particular, prepare joint venture account, joint bank account and co-venturer accounts. Let us see how the ledger accounts are prepared. It is advisable to record two effects of every transaction by giving debit and credit effect in the respective accounts simultaneously. This process of solving the question will not only save time, but also all transactions will be recorded without any error. In the book of firm, let us prepare necessary account. There will be 4 accounts. Number 1 joint venture accounts, number 2 Ravi account, number 3 Suraj account and number 4 joint bank accounts. Let us see transaction and gives necessary effect in concerned account. Guys, keep in your mind, our joint venture account ends on 31st August 2025 and starts on 1st March 2025. So, there are 6 months So, this joint venture account will be prepared for 6 months. So, keep in your mind, when there is a required calculation for salary, salary will be paid for 6 months, per month rupees 5,000. So, first deposited amount rupees 1,80,000 and 1 lakhs. So, the effect of this amount will be joint bank account debited to Ravi account and to Suraj account. So, in debit side of joint bank account, to Ravi capital contribution rupees 1,80,000 and to Suraj capital contribution rupees 1 lakhs. Second effect goes in Ravi account on credit side by joint bank account capital contribution rupees 1,80,000 and in Suraj account credit side by joint bank account capital contribution rupees 1 lakhs. So, in joint venture account to Ravi account salary rupees 30,000 and second effect goes to Ravi account on credit side by joint venture account salary rupees 30,000 and Suraj will be paid a commission of 6% on the sales he makes in joint venture account on debit side to joint bank account purchase Ravi rupees 1,50,000 minus 10% trade discount, that is 15,000. So, net amount will be 1,35,000. Ravi purchased mangoes worth rupees 1,50,000 at 10% trade discount and paid rupees 3,000 as expenses and sent to Suraj. So, this entry will be given in joint venture account. So, journal entry is like this: joint venture account debit to bank account credit. So, here Ravi 1,50,000 minus 15,000 discount, net amount 1,35,000 and next effect goes on credit side of joint bank account. Then on debit side of joint venture account to Ravi account expenses rupees 3,000 and second effect goes to Ravi account on credit side by joint venture expenses paid from private fund rupees 3,000. Then debit side of joint venture account. So, journal entry is like this: joint venture account debit to joint bank account is credit. So, here Suraj rupees 1 lakhs minus 5% discount. So, net amount 95,000 and next effect goes to joint bank account. So, total purchase 2,30,000 will be debited in joint venture account and 2,30,000 will be on credit side of joint bank account. So, joint venture account debit rupees 4,000 to Suraj expenses and in Suraj account credit side by joint venture account expenses paid from private fund rupees 4,000. Joint bank account debit to joint venture account credit. So, in debit side of joint bank account to joint venture account sales rupees 3 lakhs and credit side of joint venture account by joint bank account sales made by Suraj rupees 3 lakhs. Suraj account debited 45,000 to joint venture account credited by 45,000. So, first entry goes on debit side of Suraj account to joint venture account closing stock taken over 45,000 and on credit side of joint venture account by Suraj account closing stock taken over rupees 45,000. Joint venture account debited rupees 18,000 to Suraj account credited by 18,000. So, first effect goes in joint venture account debit side to Suraj account sales commission rupees 18,000 and second entry goes in Suraj account credit side by joint venture account commission on sales rupees 18,000. Now, we would like to close our accounts. So, first we would like to close joint venture account. So, credit side of joint venture account total 3,45,000. There is a difference in debit side rupees 60,000. This is known as a net profit. This profit will be apportioned among Ravi and Suraj in the ratio of 3:2. So, to Ravi 36,000 share of profit and to Suraj 24,000 share of profit. This both profit goes to both co-venturers account on credit side. So, in Ravi account credit side by joint venture account share in profit 36,000 and in Suraj account credit side by joint venture account share in profit 24,000. Now, we would like to close both co-venturers account Ravi and Suraj, and whatever remaining amount is there that will be paid from joint bank account. So, let us make total on credit side of Ravi account 2,49,000 and this amount will be paid from joint bank account. So, on debit side to joint bank account balance amount paid from joint bank 2,49,000 and second effect goes on credit side of joint bank account by Ravi account balance amount paid rupees 2,49,000. Same way we would like to close Suraj account total on credit side is 1,46,000 and there is a difference on debit side rupees 1,01,000. This amount will be paid to Suraj from joint bank account. So, on debit side to joint bank account balance amount paid from the joint bank and next effect goes to credit side of joint bank account by Suraj account balance amount paid rupees 1,01,000. Now, make total on both side of joint bank account. So, it will be tallied 5,80,000. So, guys, here we have completed our illustration number 15. Let us do more practice by taking another illustration. Illustration number 16. Ajay of Ahmedabad entered into a joint venture with Vihan of Vadodara to sell smart TVs and to share profit or loss equally. Ajay contributed rupees 8 lakhs and Vihan contributed rupees 6 lakhs toward the joint venture and deposited into the joint bank account. Ajay brought 30 smart TVs at rupees 25,000 each and paid for them from the joint bank account. Carriages rupees 20,000 were paid by Ajay from his private cash. Ajay sold all the TVs by adding 25% profit on cost. Vihan bought 15 smart TVs at rupees 22,000 each, the price of which was paid from the joint bank account. Vihan paid rupees 8,000 for carriage and insurance premium from his private cash. 4 smart TVs were damaged in transit and were sold at a price of rupees 21,250 each. The remaining TVs were sold by Vihan for rupees 3 lakhs. All sales proceeds were deposited with a joint bank account. Prepare joint venture account, joint bank account and co-venturer accounts. Before discussing how the ledger accounts are prepared, let us first calculate the sales price of 30 TV sets sold by Ajay. Now, how to find out? First, we would like to find out cost price and then we would like to find out sales price. So, first cost price of 30 TV set is equal to purchase price plus carriage, whatever expenses paid for purchase. So, here purchase price for 30 TV set, 30 multiplied by 25,000 is equal to 7,50,000 plus carriage paid rupees 20,000. So, total cost 7,70,000. Now, we want to find out selling price with the help of cost price. So, in cost price we would like to add 25%. So, here selling price of 30 TV set is equal to cost plus 25% profit on cost. So, here cost price is 7,70,000 plus 25% profit on cost 1,92,500 is equal to 9,62,500. This is a selling price for 30 TV sets. Now, we would like to prepare necessary accounts. So, there will be 4 necessary account. Number 1 joint venture account, number 2 Ajay account, number 3 Vihan account and number 4 joint bank account. And then we would like to give effect of transaction. So, let us take transaction and then we would like to give necessary effect in concerned account. So, first entry goes on debit side of joint bank account to Ajay capital contributed, and second effect goes to Ajay account on credit side by joint bank account capital contribution rupees 8 lakhs. Then Vihan rupees 6 lakhs rupees contributed. So, on debit side of joint bank account to Vihan account capital contribution rupees 6 lakhs, and second effect goes to Vihan account on credit side by joint bank account contribution rupees 6 lakhs. Both amount deposited with bank. Ajay brought 30 smart TVs at rupees 25,000 each and paid for them from joint bank account. First entry goes on debit side of joint venture account to joint bank account purchased by Ajay 30 TVs at rupees 25,000 each, total amount 7 lakhs 50,000. Next effect goes on credit side of joint bank account by purchase 30 TV set 7 lakhs 50,000. Then expenses paid by Ajay carriage rupees 20,000 were paid by Ajay from his private cash. So, first effect goes on debit side of joint venture account Ajay account carriage paid by Ajay, and second effect goes to Ajay account on credit side by joint venture account carriage paid rupees 20,000. Ajay sold all the TVs by adding 25% profit on cost. So, first entry goes on debit side of joint bank account to joint venture account sales rupees 9,62,500, and second effect goes on credit side of joint venture account by joint bank account sales by Ajay 9,62,500. Vihan brought 15 smart TV at rupees 22,000 each. First effect on debit side of joint venture account to joint bank account purchased by Vihan 3,30,000, and next effect goes on credit side of joint bank account by purchase rupees 3,30,000. Now, here he has also paid expenses rupees 8,000 for carriage and insurance premium from his private cash. First effect goes on debit side of joint venture account to Vihan carriage and insurance paid rupees 8,000, and second effect goes on credit side of Vihan account by joint venture account carriage paid rupees 8,000. 4 smart TVs were damaged in transit and were sold at a price of rupees 21,250 each. So, first effect goes on debit side of joint bank account to joint bank account sales of damaged 4 TV rupees 85,000, and second effect goes on credit side of joint venture account by joint bank account received from damage 85,000. Now, guys, here there is a remaining TV set were sold by Vihan for rupees 3 lakhs. First effect goes on debit side of joint bank account to joint venture account sales of 11 TV sets rupees 3 lakhs rupees, and second effect goes on credit side of joint venture account by joint bank account Vihan rupees 3 lakhs. Guys, we have already given effects of all transaction. Now, we would like to close all these account. First, we would like to close joint venture account. Total on joint venture account credit side is 13,47,500. There is a difference on debit side rupees 2,39,500, and this is known as the net profit. This profit will be apportioned among Ajay and Vihan in the ratio 1:1. So, rupees 1,19,750 to Ajay share of profit and rupees 1,19,750 to Vihan share of profit. This profit goes to both co-venturer accounts on credit side. So, in Ajay accounts credit side, by joint venture account share in profit rupees 1,19,750. In Vihan's account credit side, by joint venture account share in profit 1,19,750. Now guys, we would like to close joint venturers account. So first we would like to close Ajay's account. There is a total on credit side 9,39,750. So this amount will be paid from joint bank account. So on debit side, to joint bank account balance amount paid 9,39,750. Second effect goes to joint bank account on credit side. By Ajay account balance amount paid 9,39,750. Now we want to close Vihan's account. Total on Vihan's account 7,27,750. So there is a difference on debit side by 7,27,750 to joint bank account balance amount paid from joint bank account. Second effect goes to joint bank account credit side 7,27,750 by Vihan account balance amount paid. Now last we want to close joint bank account. Total on both side will remain same. So here 27,47,500 and credit side same amount 27,47,500. Guys, we all knows when the total on both side equal, so our account is tallied. Let us discuss one more illustration. Illustration number 17. Ronak and Toral entered into a joint venture to underwrite 5 lakhs equity shares of rupees 10 each and to pay all expenses up to allotment of Once Limited. The company agreed to issue 5% additional equity share of rupees 10 each, fully paid up, as underwriting commission. They deposited rupees 8 lakhs into the joint bank account as per their profit and loss sharing ratio of 3:2 respectively. Ronak paid salaries rupees 20,000, legal expenses 34,000 from his personal fund. Advertising expenses rupees 42,000 was paid from the joint bank account. Toral paid commission rupees 53,000 from her personal funds. At the end of the subscriptions, it was found that applications for share were received 10% less from the public. In order to buy these shares, 70% amount was paid from the joint bank account, while the remaining amount was paid by Ronak and Toral equally from their private fund. Once Limited issued the shares as underwriting commission. Out of all shares received as underwriting commission and shortfall of public issue purchased by them, Ronak sold 60% shares at a profit of 40% on issue price, while Toral sold 40% share at a profit of 30% on its issue price. The sales proceeds of these shares were deposited into the joint bank account. All partners are eligible to get 5% commission on sales made by them. The partners' accounts was settled. Prepare a joint bank account, joint venture account and partners capital account. Before discussing the ledger account, let us first understand certain calculations. Calculation number 1. Number of share purchased as a shortfall from the public issue and payment made. Application received 10% less from the public. Here total share is 5 lakhs and 10% application less. So, 5 lakhs multiplied by 10% is equal to 50,000 shares. Now, out of 50,000, 70% paid from joint bank. So, 50,000 share multiplied by 70% is equal to 35,000 share, each rupees 10. So, total amount paid 3,50,000 from joint bank. The remaining 30% is paid by co-venturers equally from their private fund. So, here remaining 30% is equal to 50,000 shares multiplied by 30% is equal to 15,000 shares, each rupees 10. So, total amount is 1,50,000 and this amount paid by both co-venturers so equally, so rupees 75,000 and 75,000. So, 75,000 paid by Ronak and 75,000 paid by Toral. Now, calculation number 2. Number of shares received as underwriting commission and shares purchased from a shortfall in public subscription. Number of shares received as a underwriting commission 25,000 shares. 5% of equity share issued to public 5 lakhs total share multiplied by 5%. So, 25,000 shares. Number of shares purchased as a shortfall of the public issue 50,000 shares. So, how the 50,000 comes? So, 5 lakhs total number of share multiplied by 10% is equal to 50,000. So, total shares received 75,000. Now, calculation number 3. Selling price of shares received from the sales of 75,000 shares. 60% of shares sold by Ronak. So, 75,000 shares multiplied by 60% is equal to 45,000 shares. And how the amount comes? So, 10 rupees is a shares price basic value plus 40% profit. So, total sales price per share is rupees 14. So, 45,000 multiplied by rupees 14 is equal to rupees 6,30,000. 40% of share sold by Toral. 75,000 shares multiplied by 40% is equal to 30,000 shares sold by Toral. Now, face value is 10 per share, 30% profit. So, total amount will be 13, that is a selling price for each share. So, 30,000 multiplied by rupees 13 is equal to rupees 3,90,000. Now, let us see how the joint venture account, co-venturer account and joint bank account are prepared. Ronak and Toral entered into a joint venture to underwrite 5 lakhs equity share of rupees 10 each and to pay all expenses up to allotment of funds limited. The company agreed to issue 5% additional equity shares of rupees 10 each, fully paid up as underwriting commission. They deposited rupees 8 lakhs into the joint bank as per their profit and loss sharing ratio of 3:2. First effect goes to debit side of joint bank account to Ronak account capital rupees 4,80,000. Second effect goes to Ronak account credit side by joint bank account capital rupees 4,80,000. Then, so debit side of joint bank account to Toral account capital rupees 3,20,000 and second effect goes to credit side of Toral account by joint bank account capital rupees 3,20,000. Then expenses paid by Ronak Ronak paid salary rupees 20,000, legal expenses rupees 34,000 from his personal fund. Debit side of joint venture account, to Ronak account, expenses paid from personal fund, salary rupees 20,000, legal expenses 34,000, total amount 54,000. Second effect goes to Ronak account, credit side rupees 54,000 by joint venture account, expenses paid. Toral paid commission rupees 53,000 from her personal fund. First effect goes on debit side of joint venture account, to total commission paid from personal fund 53,000. Second effect goes on credit side of total account, by joint venture account, expenses paid 53,000. At the end of the subscription, it was found that application for shares were received 10% less from the public. In joint venture account debit side, to joint bank account rupees 3,50,000 as per calculation number 1, and second effect goes to credit side of joint bank account rupees 3,50,000 joint venture account shares purchased. Remaining share amount paid by Ronak and Toral equally. First effect goes on debit side of joint venture account, to Ronak account, share purchased rupees 75,000, and second effect goes on credit side of Ronak account, by joint venture account, share purchased 75,000. Same share purchased by Toral, joint venture account debited 75,000, to Toral account credited by 75,000. Debit side of joint venture account, to Toral account, share purchased from our private fund rupees 75,000 as per calculation 1, and in Toral account credit side, by joint venture account 75,000 share purchased. Once Limited issued the shares underwriting commission out of all shares received as underwriting commission and shortfall of the public issue purchased by them. Ronak sold 60% shares at a profit of 40% on its issue price. First effect goes on debit side of joint venture account, to joint venture account, sales of share by Ronak 6,30,000. Second effect goes to joint venture account, by joint bank account, proceeds from sales of share by Ronak as per calculation number 3, 6,30,000. Sales by Toral rupees 3,90,000. First effect goes on debit side of joint bank account, to joint venture account, sales by Toral rupees 3,90,000. Second effect goes to joint venture account credit side, by joint bank account, proceeds from sales of share by Toral as per calculation number 3, 3,90,000. 5% commission given to both co-venturer on sales. First effect goes on debit side of joint venture account, to Ronak account, commission on sale 31,500. Second effect goes on credit side of Ronak, by joint venture account, commission on sale 31,500. On debit side of joint venture account, to Toral account, commission on sales 19,500. Second effect goes to Toral account credit side, by joint venture account, commission on sales 19,500. Guys, we would like to close 4 accounts. First, we would like to close joint venture account, make total on credit side 10,20,000. There is a difference on debit side 3,20,000. This is profit, and this profit will be apportioned among Ronak and Toral in the ratio 3:2. So, to Ronak account 1,92,000, to Toral account 1,28,000. Both amount goes to Ronak and Toral account credit side. So, in Ronak account credit side, by joint venture account 1,92,000 profit, in Toral account credit side profit rupees 1,28,000. Now, we want to close both co-venturer account. First, we would like to close Ronak account. So total on credit side 8,32,500. This amount will be paid from joint bank account. So debit side 8,32,500 to joint bank account, and second effect goes to joint bank account on credit side by Ronak account balance amount paid. Same way total account. So first make total on credit side 5,95,500. This amount will be paid from joint bank account to joint bank account 5,95,500 balance amount paid, and second effect goes to credit side of joint bank account by total account balance amount paid. And last we would like to close joint bank account total on both side 18,20,000. So total tallied on both side. Friends, let us conclude this session. In this session we discussed 3 more illustration of the second method of joint venture account, that is when a separate set of books of account is opened in the book of the firm. I hope you understood how ledger accounts are prepared directly without writing journal entries. In the next session, which will be the last session of joint venture accounts, we will continue with some more practical examples and questions. Till then, keep on revising the chapter. Thank you.